What's going on, guys? Today one of my light bulbs blew out in my room, so I'm not recording in my room. I'm recording in my dining room. But today we have one package here. Yeah, it's one package. So let's get right into it. Every time I order from Supreme, they always it gets real dirty. I don't know why. It's pretty weird. Also, this packaging is weird. I was seeing if it was open because it was like that. This just goes all the way through to the other side. It's really weird. Yeah, let's just hop right into it. Do I even need scissors? Yeah, I do. I'm not that strong. Okay. Did I open it from the wrong? What? Oh, I opened it from the wrong end. Of course I did. Okay. So, here we have the Supreme gloves. They're, I believe, racing gloves or dirt bike gloves. I don't really know. Let's see here. Honda Supreme. Honda Supreme. Yeah, I'm gonna keep these dead stock. Not gonna open them, but let's check out the stickers. First off, see if we got anything else in this bag here. Any receipts or anything? Nope. Okay. So, first thing we got here is whoa, we got the it's like a scratch off ticket, but yeah, it's like same material as a scratch off ticket. Like you just scratched away with your fingernail or coin and it'll reveal Supreme, I do believe. So yeah, it's just a silver sticker right now. It's got a secret behind it. Woo! Okay, second sticker we got is a Supreme, looks like a banner, like their store banner, like just like a picture. You know, it's like a picture sticker. You know what I'm saying? If that makes any sense. Last one we got here is Save the Planet, Kill Yourself stickers. Got 3 of those. So let's go over what we got. We got Supreme gloves. Red. Well, I think red. We got Kill Yourself, Save the World stickers. We got Supreme banner sticker. And we got Supreme lottery ticket sticker. Hopefully I'll be making another episode soon. I'm just waiting for package to arrive, you know? So, see you guys in the next video.